like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young taller. I got custom drip, couple chicks, income check.
Eyow, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the mak'fika iDubane iTheku. Okay, guys, today I'm back with another episode. But first, again, Shandis is suck on how to first. Stay blessed and shining. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Always. Eyow, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the mak'fika iDubane iTheku. Okay, I'm here with
Candace
and
Shilombe.
Okay, wafethu mphezulu uShilombe no Candice wafethu. Okay, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
PMB.
Yeah, sure. Okay, why to girls cheats ngokwakho?
Because we're good at it.
What do you mean by that?
How? Kanjani?
We can get away with it without you guys ever knowing. And even after we break up, you won't find out.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Uyajola manje?
No.
Okay. When first why to girls cheats?
Because what a man can do, a woman can do better.
Ne.
I think so.
Oh, okay. Alright. Who's the deputy president of South Africa?
David Mabuza.
Stop the cap.
David Mabuza. When?
Oh no!
Yeah, wafethu Paul Mashatile wafethu. Paul Mashatile show uqonda ukuthini SABC?
South African Broadcasting Commission, I think.
Wena?
Yeah, South African Broadcasting Commission.
Oh, alright. So cabanga ukuthi channel nomcommission ilapho nje wafethu. Okay, www uqonda ukuthini?
World Wide Web.
Wena?
Same. World Wide Web.
No way. Okay, best advice you'll give about some child.
If you start doubting it, leave.
Ne. Wena?
I don't have an advice on that department, honestly.
Oh, okay. Iyiphi message ofuna ukuthumela to ex yakho manje?
I know everything.
Alright, sir. Okay, wena? Message ofuna ukuthumela to ex yakho manje?
I don't know.
How now yini ex?
I do.
Manje ufuna ukuthini?
I don't know, honestly. I'm just still shocked, I guess.
Oh.
So.
Ne. Oh, okay. Excuse first. Okay, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangakufollow khona.
It's at tis_a_sweet life. But just search Candace. Ke go rapetse Candace. Yeah, that's me.
Nawe zona mamina Instagram.
Shilombe Masing. As in like Shilombe with X. XI.
Okay, wafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu nibe nosuku oluhle ne. Awes. Eyow, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the mak'fika iDubane iTheku. I'm here with
Finally.
Okay, I'm here with the final wafethu. Okay, so finally first uqonda ukuthini www.
www
Shakes.
chaza ukuthi worldwide angazi fana
Sure, worldwide websites ifethu hamba kahle ta. Alright. So ngicabanga kwakho why do girls cheat?
ngoba bazazi bafunana amantombazane mfethu yo
Incredible.
yo bafuna yonke into bro
Yeah.
yeah abasatisfy kahle.
Okay. So who's the deputy president of South Africa?
Unjubala umjida mfethu asamkhumbula
Okay, please name two countries eqala ngoletter A.
Angola
Sure.
Afghanistan
Sure. Alright, name two countries eqala ngoletter Z.
Zambia Zimbabwe
Showcase. Best advice you'll give about umjolo nje njalo ngathini?
ungafaki inhliziyo yakho just love nje normally ungafaki inhliziyo bro
Ne. Uthanda ngengqondo.
yeah ngengqondo kuphela bro
Okay, ungathini nje ku ex yakho manje?
hey bese hey nothing bro
Ukukuthini?
akukuthini
Okay, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangakufollow khona ku TikTok.
fanele 3_ TikTok anginawo.
Alright, sibe cringe always.
Let's go. Jalo must speak fuego. I'm shaking like David Gennaro. Pela me no from the ghetto. Now look at the key, yeah bro. Talang bachela ifilile chiga se schema bombelo yero. Domtwana gangas marufuna sendlini natora lo picho que let's go. Now we here for the zag. Tell you session on my fight, I ain't worry my club. Just want a piece of the pie.